going to show you how to make this bird feeder hanger, which holds 2 bird feeders. The materials you would need are a pair of disposable gloves, 2 bird feeders, a drill to put the screws in, a drill to put the hole to drill the holes out, some screws, garden wire, a pair of pliers or cutters, a measuring tape, a paintbrush, a pencil, and some wood glue, and also some paint. First of all, measure the bottom to 15 centimeters, and then the top to 24 centimeters. And then cut on the chop saw. Then find a bit of sandpaper and sand any splinters off. Then put the 2 pieces together by putting the bottom piece on top of by putting the bottom onto the top, and measure equal distances, which is 10 centimeters either end, and put a line at one side and again the other side, so you know where the middle is, because you'll have to take this bit of wood off. So then just put 2 pencil marks in the middle to drill the holes out, and I'm going to do that on my drill press. with a pencil and measuring tape, mark 2 centimeters. Just make a line, and with a jigsaw just cut a few lines for the bird feeders to go in. And do the same again on the other side. And there you have it. Where the bird feeders could hang. Now it looks like that. All we need to do is to glue and screw. I've put 2 pencil marks so I know where the middle is. So put some glue on top and get a scrap bit of wood to move the glue around like so. Then put the screws in. Make sure it doesn't move. As it might slide now and again. And there you have it. And with a bit of cloth or a towel, kitchen towel, just wipe the glue away, and then start sanding. And there you have it. Now it's time to put your disposable gloves on and paint the bird feeder hanger. What I do before is I stir the paint so it's nice and so all the good paint from the bottom gets stirred up to the top, and then paint it on. You could do three coats of paint and let it dry each time for about 45 minutes to an hour. That's all you need to do until it's nice and dry. You can also work on a 4-way bird feeder hanger. You can paint this any colour you like. It could be green, it can be brown, or varnished where you can see the wood itself. And this will hold 4 bird feeders, where the other one I painted holds 2 bird feeders. The last thing you have to do is put the garden wire through the middle at the top, and then your bird feeders, and there you have it, a 2-way bird feeder on the right and a 4-way bird feeder on the left.